welcome to my channel. It's me again, Night Code Developer, as you all know, and this is my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can upload your app on your console account, your Google console account. If you don't have one, you can get it. It's just $25. You get it from Google. You pay for it, then you have access to it. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys on how you can upload. So I already created this app which is called WhatsApp Sector Saver. So in this video, I'm just going to show you on how you can upload it and the steps you follow. So first of all you create an application. Yeah, after you create your application, you name it. You can name it any stuff you want. I'm just showing you after you create it, then it will carry to this dashboard. I already created my, so it's saved as a draft. So it's carried to this dashboard. So this is going to be. So you see some icons here that are like they are not ticked. They're not yet ticked. They are just here. Like there are 4 of them, or yeah, 5 of them. So all these tick, you have to fill all these tick the icons. They have to be marked green. So first of all, you come to store listing, then you fill the details. I already filled my details. So you fill the title, what you want to name your app, then this short description, then this is it, WhatsApp Sector Saver, download image and video fast. So this is it. So you add your full description. Then the next thing is that you add your logo. So this is how your logo is meant to be. So your logo must be 512 times 512 in dimension. So I already resized my logo. So if you don't know how to resize your logo, or if you want to resize any images, you can use this website, which is resizeimage.net. This website is a very good website for resizing any image that you want. So you just upload the image and you resize it to any dimension you want. You resize here in this place. So you untick this keep action, then you resize. You upload the image and you can resize to 512 times 512. You just do that here, then you come below, then you see resize image, and after you click on resize, then to bring the download button, so you download your image. So now we are going to be adding our logo. So I just click on the add button, then I upload my logo. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel please don't forget to do this. You're really helping this channel out by doing that. So this is my logo. It's already resized. So as you can see, 512 times 512 in dimension is resized already. So I'm just going to click on the logo and open. So after I do this, then the image is going to be uploaded successfully. So as you can see, the image has uploaded successfully also. So this, then after you have to add the screenshot of your app. So I already made the screenshots and edited it, so I'm just going to upload all of them. So I'll just hit the control and copy all my images, then I click open. Yeah, so all my images is going to upload, so I can resize, I can adjust them. So in this my channel, I told you I'm still going to show you guys on how you can create application with this Android Studio, because this is my app I created. This WhatsApp Sector Saver, I made it fully with Android Studio. So if I see as this channel moves and progress well, then I'll be making more videos like this for you guys, so you can see and learn and get things started. So I'll just move this down. Yeah, so as you can see, sorry about that. So as you can see, I have added a screenshot of my application successfully. So I'll just add this feature, all this icon. You see some icon that is highlighted with blue. So all these places that is highlighted with blue, you have to fill them. It's compulsory. You can see they are there. You can see they are compulsory. You must attend them. So all those you see them, yeah, they are compulsory. So all these ones they are not elected, they don't have any hashtag, so you just skip them. So after we had the future graphics. So this one also should be 1024 times 500 in time of dimension in the width and height. So I already researched this image also. As you can see, this image here also I edited them yesterday. And if you don't know how to edit stuff videos like this, you can put in the comment section below. If you want me to make videos on that, I can make videos on that for you guys, on how to make nice screenshot like this and on how to make this stuff like this. So as you can see, I already resized these images and they are perfectly okay. So as you can see, it has been uploaded successfully. So then you feel this icon, you feel this one is an application, is a social tool, because it is an application for saving WhatsApp status and video. If you want the link of the application, I'll be posting it also. This is my website link. It's not compulsory you add your website link, but I'm just adding it because I have a website also. Then you add your email, then your phone number is not compulsory but to add, but your email is compulsory. So when you add your privacy policy, this is not also compulsory, but if you need to add them, if you don't want to, then you tick this icon. After you have successfully done all this, then you click save to draft. After you click save to draft, you see that since I've filled all the necessary information here, then this icon will be ticked to blue now. You see that now. Yes, as you can see, this icon has been ticked green, so we'll just, sorry for the break, I had to do some stuff. So as you can see, so let's continue. As you can see now, the video has been marked. Actually, the reason why I cut this video because I'm not really satisfied with this screen record, because I'm not really sure my voice is audible enough. So I'm trying a new software which I just downloaded now. Maybe it's going to work perfectly for my screen recording of my video, so that I could make videos better and more okay. So as you can see, this has been ticked, so we move on to the app release. So in this app release, we upload our app, either your ABB app or the APK. So this is then you come to production. When you are in app release, you don't need to go to the beta or yours is just with the production. So you click on manage. After clicking on manage, then you click on the create release. So after you do this, then you accept, sorry for all the distraction, so you click on continue. So after you click on continue, then you have to upload your app bundle or your APK file. I actually generated mine as I generated my app as app bundle, which is the ABB file. So I'm just going to go to the file, then yeah, so this is it. So this is my file. As you can see, it's app release.abb. Actually use Android Studio to make this app, which is the WhatsApp status saver. So I'm actually going to put the link of the app once it gets verified on Play Store, which is in like 3 hours from now. So I'll just upload the video, the app here. So as you can see, so I'll put the app link, so you can please also download the video, the application, and check it out and actually share with your friends. So if you like it, then you rate it on Play Store also. So you can do all this just to support me. So this is it. Yeah, so in my next video, actually I'll be showing you guys on how you can start a project with Android Studio. So on this my channel, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now so you always stay updated to any video I'll be posting on this channel, because you're going to learn a lot from this channel. So just do that now so you won't regret later. So So this sub is taking a lot of time, so you just have to chill for it to finish loading. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my name is Night Code. I'll put the link there so you can follow me on Instagram also. And we get to chat. Or as you can see now, the app has been uploaded successfully. So one of the reasons why I say people should generate the app bundle, which is the ABB file, is because it's kind of reduce the size of the app. Normally, this app is meant to be like 5 MB, so it's reduced it to 2.58 MB. So when your app is lesser in MB, it tends to have more downloads. So that's why I say people to I say people to use the ABB file. So now, so you have to name this, you have to change this also while you're uploading. I hope you are following up with this step. First of all, you fill the details in the store listing, then next you come to the app release, then you upload your app, then in the what's the name in the release, you put it. So I can just put this is enjoy the app, enjoy the app, or I can put enjoy the app. So I click save. So as you can see, it has been saved now, and it has been ticked green. So next thing, you come to the pricing and distribution, then you fill this also. So you click this available to all country. So yeah, so my app contains ads, Google Ad Move ads, so I'll click yes. Normally, even though your app does not contain ads, I will always suggest you should always click yes, because later in the future you can decide of placing ads in your app, so you won't have any issue with that. So I recommend that anytime you should always click yes for the content ads. So next thing we do is click these two tick these two icons which are below the content, you tick it, then you tick it, then save to draft. So it has been saved now, so you come to the content rating, so you add your email. So I'll just have to add my email sharply. So Israel, Israel, gmail.com. Sorry. So yeah, so my app is social app, or yeah, it's gonna be a social app because it's kind of related to any app concerning WhatsApp. It's an app related with WhatsApp. So I'll just click on the social, then I have to fill all these primary focus, people they think is the app connect to people, or 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 I can just use a tool, because I think this app should be a tool. Yeah, so let's take the tool. So does the app contain violent? No, does not contain violent, or no, 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 no. All these things should be a no, 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 and no. So after you click the save questionnaire, then you click on calculate rating. So or is there any items solved that have not been ticked? Everything has been ticked. So oh yeah, we will tick this. So no, then you click on save questionnaire. After you calculate rating, then you apply rating. Yeah, so come to the app content, then we click on start. So I can just click 16 because my health kit not, let me just leave it at that age. So abuse children no, then we click on next. So submit, and that's all. So we have to go back to the app release, then we manage, then we click on manage, then we click on edit release, then after we start rollover, we review, then we start rollover. Yeah, we start rollout, I mean, to production. So after we click on confirm, so now like this your app has been successfully uploaded to Play Store. So it just remains for Google to approve your app and you have your app live on Play Store. But I think this takes some time. It takes more than a day, and sometimes it takes a day, and sometimes it takes some hours. So you just have to chill. So as you can see now, it's pending publication. So they're processing the update. So that's all for this video, and please, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, and also stay updated to this channel because I'll be posting more videos like this. And also, if you want to check out my website, this is my website, so you can just check out www.nightcode.com. So this is my website, so you can just check it out if you kind of have any stuff you don't kind of get. I actually post some videos on my website also. So I think that's all for this video. Stay blessed and peace out.